Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports MagSafe, because alignment and magnet strength depend on the model. Once done, remove any thick or metal case and wipe the back with a lint-free cloth so the wallet sits flush. Position the wallet at the magnet ring, align to the camera edge, then lay it down from one side and press firmly in the center for 5 to 10 seconds. This initial seating sets proper adhesion and magnetic contact for reliable use. After the first press, you should reinforce the seal by pressing the wallet's edges for a few more seconds so adhesive or magnetic contact settles evenly. Next, insert 1 to 3 cards. Start with essential cards only, avoiding damaged or thickly embossed cards that can impede contact. Once loaded, test the wallet by pulling it away gently and reattaching to ensure it snaps into place consistently. Then open Wallet or Apple Pay and tap to confirm NFC functions through the wallet. You finish by verifying real-world use. Try wireless charging, slide the phone into pockets, and simulate normal handling so you know the wallet won't detach. If you notice misalignment or weak hold, remove the wallet, clean both surfaces again, then reseat carefully. Consider switching to a MagSafe-compatible case if necessary. If functionality like NFC or Apple Pay fails, reseat or swap cards, confirm no metal inserts, and restart your phone. One quick reset often resolves detection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.